Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Wuthering Waves keeps lagging on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Open up Epic Games. Click on the three dot icon next to the Wuthering Waves and select Manage. Select the folder icon to open up install location. Open the Wuthering Waves game folder, client folder, saved folder, config folder, Windows no editor folder. In here you need to right click on the game user settings and select open with notepad. Under the scalability you accept resolution quality, you need to change the values to 0 guys. Just to change it. After doing this, under the script B use dynamic resolution, change false to true, T caps letter TRUE. After doing this, just select file and select save, and now close it off here. Now right click on the engine.ini and select open with, select notepad. In here you need to scroll down to the bottom. Under here you need to paste a script guys. You just need to check my video description for the script used in my video. Just copy it. Just copy like this. Right click on it and select copy. And now go back to engine.ini and paste over here under here. After pasting it, select file and select save. After saving it, just close it off here. After doing this, you have been changed the game settings to run the game with good FPS. Now you are ready to play the game guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.